90-Day Fiancé fans love seeing memories of Armando Rubio and Kenny Niedermeyer's adorable dog Truffles. Here are some of her precious moments. Popular 90-Day Fiancé stars Armando Rubio and Kenny Niedermeyer's pet dog Truffles passed away a few days ago, and it is time to take a look back at their memorable moments together. Fans may know that Armando and Kenny love sharing their lives with their furry friends. Last year, the couple expanded their family by welcoming Mika and Romero into their lives. They adopted an adorable kitten named Romero, whom they rescued from under a pile of trash. Later on Christmas, the two got another puppy named Mika, who had become a great friend of their 17-year-old pet, Truffles. Sadly, Kenny and Armando waved goodbye to their old friend last week as she passed away after 17 years of a wonderful life. Their pet dog was loved by their family and adored by many 90-Day Fiancé viewers for her warm presence on the show. Fans remember the good girl from her little tongue that would perpetually stick out of her mouth, making her look even more adorable. Despite being old, Truffles was a beautiful dog with long hair and a cute face, which speaks of Kenny and Armando's caring nature for their pets. On January 31, the Florida native Kenny shared the sad news that his sweet Truffles had died. At the heart-touching occasion, let's take a look at some of her greatest moments with her loving family. Here is a cute family portrait with every member present except their new dog Mika. Armando shared this picture mere days before he got Mike. It shows the entire family wearing formal outfits and capturing precious memories with each other. Since the occasion was Christmas, the Mexican reality star simply captioned it, "Merry Christmas." 90-Day Fiancé fans loved the pictures and left several loving comments on the post. Another precious memory of Truffles comes from Armando's reunion photo with Kenny. He shared this photo back in summer 2020 when he finally got together with Kenny in Mexico. The photo shows Kenny and Armando enjoying a lovely drink on the rooftop with their pet. This get-together is an extremely important moment in the couple's lives, and it is great to see that Truffles is a part of it. A fan commented, "My 3 faves in one photo." Another one shared, "My favorite couple. Wishing you all the happiness in the universe. I see Truffles."